You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous road in Southern California. We'll be looking at how to say more names of famous places that many people mispronounce. Stay tuned. Most people locally say it as Cajalco. It comes from Spanish Cajalco. But because the J from Spanish is a bit difficult to say, just replace it with an H, Cajalco. Some say it also as Cajalco Road, but it's really not like the original Spanish name, Cajalco. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.